Hi, everybody. I am so happy that you've joined me for more reading of our OLS literature comprehension stories, specifically for INDLS fabulous first graders, but for anyone that wants to enjoy some good read aloud. Okay, so this is specifically for 9.3, which would be week 13, day 1, which is a Monday, but while that might change in the future, it is 9.3, okay? And it is from this book, Ready, Set, Read, and there are a couple poems, okay? So the poems are illustrated by Ann Burgess, and they are on page 84 and 85. So friends, if you'd like to, pause the video and go get the book. We'll have two short poems to read, and I'm very excited about that. I think you will like it. Okay? All right, you know the drill. Pause the video, go get the book. Hajime. You gotta stop scaring me like that, okay? All of a sudden you pop back, and I think the video's still paused, and I'm just having a good old time. Okay, all right, so I'm actually gonna be able to read these right while you look at the picture, okay? If you look on page 84, 84, and remember, this is also in, oh, I love this so much. It's called the contents. Oh, yeah. But if you look in OLS, it would tell you what pages that we would want to be about. And it's called Explore About Animals. And when I click on that OLS lesson, just so you know, it's called Notice and the Fat Cat. You know what? I wonder if they're talking about my cat because I got a couple of those. All right. So page 84 and 85. All right. And so when I look at the pictures, oh, I see a cat there. And I want you to look at the picture as I read the poem, The Fat Cat by Stephanie Commonson. Colmanson. Okay, that was a tough word, but I broke it down because I see the word men and I see sun in there. Cow, men, sun. Ooh, that's a good guess. Remember, that's how we can take big words and break them apart. And when we find small words in there, are those three letters that I know you know, but then you hear that word reading and we go, okay. The fat cat. Are you looking at the picture? Wow, somebody is definitely surprised. Look, there's a book in the air and a shoe and glasses. Love a hammock. All right, here we go. Fat. Fat cat, fat cat sat, fat cat sat on me. Now, look at that. Me is in capital letters. And what is that afterwards? It's an exclamation point, which means we say it with feeling. I'm going to read it one more time, and I want you to picture what you would do. Would you say it the same way? And then I want you to practice reading it to your learning coach because guess what? You can. Think of the pattern. Fat, fat cat sat. Fat cat sat, let me hear it, on me. My fat cats do that. Okay, let's look at the next one. On page 85, it's called Notice by David McCord. Okay, look at the picture. Oh, he's sitting on a lily pad with a net. Look at the dog. Look at the size of that dragonfly. And what is in his hat? Yeah, I know you see it. Okay. I have a dog. I had a cat. I've got a frog. Where is it? Inside my hat. I know you can read this one, kiddos. Okay, so we're gonna break it down. Remember, have, that's kind of an odd word because we are so used to Mama E, remember, being quiet and having her vowels say its name, but that would be have. I have a dog. So this is one where it breaks the rules. I have a dog. I had a cat. I've got a what? Frog. Now look at this next word. In. We see in, and look where the frog is. Inside. That kind of helps you by looking at the picture. Inside my what? What is that last word? Inside my hat. Good. I'm going to read it one more time if you want to read it with me. I have a dog. I had a cat. I've got a frog inside my hat. Good job. Make sure we always get the ends of those words. Hat, dog. All right? Te amo, you did a wonderful job, and I hope you enjoyed those short poems. I'll see you real soon. Hasta luego.